So to install a new theme, you want to hover on Appearance and click Themes. This is where all the themes are that your site already has, and this one's active. 2017 is active, as it says right here, so your site shows this one. You can look at another one, and you can also delete it in the lower right. But we'll keep these. They're made by the WordPress team. They're really cool. And we're going to click Add New. So even though our WordPress site has the 2017 theme, it's really kind of great and all, and just looks pretty because these cactuses, I don't know, they do it for me. I have like 10 of them. You know, as we may have mentioned earlier, you just can't do that much with this theme. It's super lightweight and basic, and it's basically for blogging. And the downside is a lot of other people use it. And we want total customizability, we want super unique, and we want just our own look. And why wouldn't we? So to get our own look, we're going to go back to Add Themes, and we're going to do a search for a theme called OceanWP. This theme is a godsend. I am so amazed by it. I can't believe it's free, and I would bet that this might be the only theme you ever have to install. And we're gonna get so good at it that you can build almost any website look you see online with OceanWP. It's just that good. All right, so let's click Install to try it out. And of course use it, and then click Activate. All right, so you successfully changed your theme. If you refresh your site, it should show Ocean. All right, so we're on the right track, and we gotta fill it in with some cool content now. But first, go back to Manage Themes, and it's gonna say if your theme recommends any plugins. So Ocean does. Let's go ahead and just get those out of the way. Click Begin Installing Plugins. Just select them and click Install, Apply. All right, so this will make our life easier later on. All right, now if we go to Plugins, we can see you should have 5 plugins active at the moment: Akismet, Contact Form 7, Elementor, Ocean Demo Import, and Ocean Extra. If your screen looks like mine, then you're all set to proceed.